Good day to all chauffeurs. Today's tutorial is quick and straight to the point. We cover how to edit a vehicle in your booking module. What would you want to choose to do that? Editing your vehicle information allows you to keep your fleet details up to date. If you're changing something in your strategy or in the company, then you want to fill out those forms. It also ensures accurate information for your clients. So let's dive into your ClickChauffeur dashboard and get started. We've accessed the vehicle section, then you can find the vehicle you want to edit. You click on the pencil icon next to it, edit. This allows you to adjust the vehicle's configurations as needed. Update any field that require change. Then, when you're done, you save those changes. Yeah, that's it for today. You've successfully edited a vehicle in your booking module, ensuring your fleet information is accurate and up to date. Keeping your vehicle's details current help provide a better booking experience for your clients. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Keep your fleet information accurate and your clients informed.